Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kari with Crochet Me Knots. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this very simple and very pretty ear saver. You're using kind of like a shell stitch. I'm not sure if there's a name for this particular stitch. If there is, please comment down below and let me know what the name of this is because it's so pretty. So it's very simple. All you need is some yarn of your choice, really. I chose Red Heart Super Saver. It's a medium weight 4-ply yarn, and I'm going to use the same red, but you can use any color you want. You need 2 buttons. I have these 20mm Handmade with Love buttons. That's a good size button to use for these. I'm also going to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. You need a needle to sew in your buttons at the end, and a pair of scissors. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I like to leave a little bit of a tail to start because that's what I use at the end to sew in my button. So we're going to start with slip knot. Okay, and we are going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just remember this is going to count as a double crochet. So next we're going to go ahead and crochet 6 double crochets into that first chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Let's do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so that's 2. We need 4 more. So that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's just make sure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we're good. Alright, so now we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to slip stitch into the middle there. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to just flip this over. Well, first, we need to chain 3, so let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Before you flip that, let's chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we flip it over. And into that space right here, in between those 2 double crochets, we're going to go ahead and crochet 6 double crochets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because remember that chain 3 you did, that always counts as a double crochet. So that's 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Again, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to slip stitch into the middle. Okay. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and again, just grab it, flip it, and we're going to put 6 double crochets into that space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Isn't that pretty? That starts to kind of take shape right away. All right, so now we have our 7, so we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the middle. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then just grab it, flip it. I guess that's kind of fun. Where you just flip your work. And then let's 6 doubles into that space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so after you do your 6, you chain 3, and you slip stitch in the middle into the center. You chain 3 again, and you flip, and you just repeat this. And we're gonna have, let's count these because I think we're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a total of 8. So far we have 4. So this is the start of number 5. So go ahead and continue until you have 8 of these little shells, and I'll meet you back here to finish off. Okay, so I am about to start the 8th little shell up here. So I've already chained my 3, and I'm going to put my 6 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we slip stitch. And chain 1, and leave a tail so you can sew your button in, cut, and that's it. It's very pretty. See? Now if you want to make this, maybe the length is too short. I mean, once you put it in the back of your head and you have your the elastic of the mask, it kind of pulls it. So it's almost like a wave. I want to call it like a wave pattern. It's kind of cool. Or if you look at it this way, it could be, I don't know. But please, if someone knows the name of this pattern, of this design, do let me know in the comments. Okay, so there it is. I mean, how pretty is that? Okay, so then let's go ahead and grab our needle. I don't use a tapestry needle because the holes in the buttons are not big enough for a tapestry needle. So you need a hand needle, a yarn needle with a large eye, and sometimes it's tricky to get the yarn in there, but hopefully we get it, because everything that can go wrong with a crochet project usually does go wrong when you're recording a tutorial. Okay, so with this, there's really no front side or back side because you alternated. So you're going to see a front and a back, a front and a back. So it doesn't matter which side you sew your button on. Okay, so you have your little tail there. So let's just, I'm going to insert my hook kind of in the middle of this little fan here. The edge. My hook, my needle. And just put your button in there. And these are very inexpensive buttons, but like I said, you can use any button you want. 20 millimeters, a good size. It's not too big and it's not too small where the elastic might slip off. And one more there. Okay, that's secure. You just flip it over. It kind of knot. And then I kind of just weave it in there. There we go. And just cut. And there's that one end. There you go. Look at that. It's so simple. It's so fast. And now with this tail, you can sew in your little button on that end, and you are done. These are so easy to make. I'm lucky I don't have to wear a mask all day for work. And really, if I do have to wear a mask, I put it on when I go outside, go shop, or pick up groceries. Whenever I go out, and it's only for 20 minutes, so I can't complain about what it does to my ears. But I've been donating these to hospitals and, you know, all the frontline healthcare, first responders, essential workers, all these people that have to wear masks for like 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours a day. And I've seen some of these people that come and get these are so thankful, and they show me their ears, and a lot of them are scabbed over. It is just crazy. So these really do help. I've gotten so many thank yous and just compliments on what it does, and it really literally saves their ears. So if you have leftover yarn and you want to do something good, there you go. We're all stuck at home right now anyway, so why not make something good and donate to your local frontline workers. Okay, so just sew in that button and you're done. So please remember to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you very much. I try to upload 2 videos a week. And then make sure your notifications are on so you can get the alerts on new videos. I do make these tutorials in Spanish as well, so you can look for that on my channel. And then there's a link in the description box to my eBay store where I sell these, and I sell a lot of other crocheted projects that I've made: hats, beanies, ear warmers, infinity scarves, you name it. There's just an array of things there. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and click on the link in the description box. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.